Before downloading and installing Java JDK, you need to know whether you have a 32-bit or a 64-bit operating system running on your computer. To check the type of operating system running on your computer, if you are running Windows 8 or Windows 8.1, right-click the Start menu, and from the program list, click on System. The System Type row will show the information about your operating system. A 64-bit operating system is running on this computer. To download the JDK, go to java.oracle.com. On the top downloads, click Java SE. Then, click on JDK Download to choose the JDK version of your operating system. Accept the license agreement. So here, Windows 86 for 32-bit Windows operating system and Windows 64 for 64-bit Windows operating system. I have a 64-bit operating system running on this machine. Therefore, I need to download the JDK for 64-bit operating system. I have already downloaded JDK on my computer, so I'm just going to move it onto here so that we can get started with the installation. If you're working on Mac OS X, then you will just need to download and install the latest JDK version for your Mac OS.